Hello everyone, we will next try to create a bird. For this you have to make some of the imprints of your hands like we have done here with the help of the toothbrush. I am just spreading the colors, and now you may require an earbud that will actually help you in filling it with the colors. Normal brushes are also used. This activity is full of fun. It may require some of your time and patience. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. You can definitely go for this one. Markers are also required so that you can add other minute details like I am doing here. Let's move towards our another project. Again, you may require bubble wrapper sheet and you just have to fill it with the two different shades, that's the blue and the whitish color, and then clay is also required. Then you can just add more features to this fish. This activity is very simple and easy and it looks more fascinating. In the background I am adding some of the aquatic plants also. Let's move further. Here I am taking again the bubble wrapper sheet. I have just cut it down into the shape of the pumpkin and I am inserting some of the colorful sheets that will represent the leaves of this pumpkin. Fill it with the yellow color because pumpkins are usually yellow in color. In the background I am adding more tiny pumpkins using the marker. Let's move further. Here I am taking the sponge and I am spreading the color according to the shape as it's apparent on your screens. With the help of some brushes I am spreading the colors that will give it a layered look of the panda. This activity is very good and nice. Just give the tint around the cheeks area. It looks so easy and nice. Go for this one. Let's move towards our another project, and here I am making use of this sponge and I am making some of the imprints. You may also require bubble wrapper sheet that is to be cutted down according to the shape of the swans. Fill it with the white color. As you can see, using the brush I am giving the tint towards the water area that will actually represent the 3D effect of the waves of the water. In the background add some of the leaves using the earbud. Let's move further. Here I am taking this brush and I am just trying to make a pattern that's somewhat circular in shape, and you may require bubble wrapper sheet also in between. Using the sponge I am making some of these circles and I'm spreading the color using the earbud. This activity is again very simple and easy and it looks so perfect. Let's move further towards our another project. Here I am taking the bubble wrapper sheet. I have cut it down according to shape apparent in your screens, and then I am adding some of the strips of the paper. These will represent the watermelon. Don't forget to add some of the worms that I have created using the black color modeling clay. Let's move further. Here I am taking some of the multiple colorful sheets and I have just cutted it down according to the shape of the ice cream as you can see on your screen. This activity is again very simple. It's very easy. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 6 to 7. You may require glue stick also so that you can just paste these different shapes perfectly. Let's move further. Here I'm again taking the bubble wrapper sheet that's to be cut down in circular shape. Then I'm filling it with them with colors. These will actually represent the turtles. I have made use of the green and the red color. You can use any other color of your own choice. Add more features like I'm doing here. Thank you for watching our videos. Stay tuned.